All right, I need your help. As you can see, I just painted this dresser right here. I got some drawers to go along with it. Do I leave it this color? Do I stain them a light brown color? Do I stain them a dark brown color? Or do I stain them a totally different color? Comment down below what you think. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this video. My name is Garrett and welcome to Slate Art Refinishings. At the end of every month, I like to go over the progress that I made on my pieces of furniture, what I flipped, and how much money I made. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe for a new project every Sunday at 7 p.m. Let's get into it. I picked up this dresser at the beginning of the month from an estate sale for 10 bucks. I used some leftover Beyond paint to paint it this blue-gray color. The whole dresser was orange before. Took off the old paint, sanded it down to the bare wood. It looks really, really nice right now. But let me know down in the comments below what you think, what color stain I should stain it. Within the last month, I picked up this dresser from Facebook Marketplace for 15 bucks. I sanded the whole thing down. I'm planning on staining the top and painting the remainder of the dresser a yellow color. Not entirely sure if I should use some new knobs or some new pull style handles. What do you think down below? I also picked up this orange red dresser a couple months ago from Facebook Marketplace for 10 bucks. Haven't started on it yet. It needs some legs at the bottom. I'm not sure what color I'm going to redo it, but it does have a lot of potential. It's a nice, sturdy, heavy piece. The drawers slide in and out very nicely. I think it will make a great dresser when it's all finished up. I also have another dresser that I found out on the curb. Got it for free in my neighborhood, so that was a big plus. Sanded the whole thing down a couple months ago, and it's been just sitting here, to be honest with you. I haven't really gotten around to it. Needs some work up on the top. There was some water damage, so I've been putting it off a little bit. But I'm planning on painting the whole piece white and staining and sealing the drawers that natural wood color. But for the month of August, 2 weeks ago to be exact, I sold a dresser on Facebook Marketplace for $150. I originally listed it for $250 after a week, dropping it down to 200 bucks. And then I got an offer for 100 bucks and then 125, and then I settled for 150. It's a little nice 3-drawer sturdy dresser. I did a really funky top, created this really unique look with a bunch of other colors. Wasn't too sold on it when it was finished because I didn't have any luck for the first 2 weeks up on Facebook Marketplace. So I took it down, I sanded the entire top off, and I stained the wood that was underneath. I should have done that from the beginning. And then within a couple days of listing it, it was gone for 150 bucks. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for a new project every Sunday at 7 p.m. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Make sure you subscribe. I got all these dressers lined up in a row right beside my old Jeep waiting to get work done. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you back here next Sunday at 7 p.m. Until then, have a great day. We'll see you next time.